Sheet extruder is a kind of equipment used to produce plastic sheets. It is widely used in packaging, construction, electronics and other industries. It can produce various types of plastic sheets. How does the sheet extruder operate? First, the raw material plastic particles are added to the hopper. Through the heater, the plastic raw materials in the hopper are heated to a molten state. The molten plastic moves forward along the screw groove of the extruder under the push of the screw. The rotation of the screw not only pushes the material, but also mixes it evenly through shear force. The extruded melt enters the extrusion die, and the sheet is quickly cooled by the cooling system to solidify and stabilize it. The cooled sheet is cut by the cutting equipment and cut into the required length and width. The cut sheet can be rolled up to form a finished roll. This is the whole process of the sheet extruder.